Good morning, scholars. We're going to get started today with our CKLA Skills Lesson 17. All right, we are going to go ahead and get started then with our blending. Get your blending fingers ready. Remember, I say the sounds, you say the sounds, and then you tell me the word that it makes. Get ready. N, fun. Awesome. It, pit. Awesome. Keep it up. Let's go. A, stay. Awesome work. Next one. O, soak. 4 fingers. Get ready. A, n, d, hand. Good job. 4 fingers. Get ready. G, e, n, green. Good. Keep it up. Next one. K, s, looks. Awesome. K, e, creek. Oh, good work. All right, next one is remember we're going to segment, which means we're going to break apart. Remember, I say the word, you say the word. Excuse me. You say the sounds and I say the sounds. Get ready. Fun. Fun. Next one, pit. You say the sounds. Get ready. P, pit. Good. Stay. S, a, stay. Soak. S, o, k, soak. Hand. 4 fingers. Your turn. A, n, d, hand. Green. G, e, n, green. Looks. K, s, looks. Good. Creek. K, e, k, creek. Awesome job, scholars. All right, next we're going to go ahead and look at our flip book review. We have some new sounds that we're going to take a look at today, and I am extra excited. All right, the first one, take a look at this sound and see if you can tell me what sound this is. Take a look at our sound. This is the sound ch, spelled C-H. Say ch, ch. Awesome. I like to give it like a maraca, like ch, ch, ch. Your turn. Ooh, so it's a ch, ch, ch sound like a maraca. Well, let me see if I can move this around. Here we go. And it's like ch in chin. So you can see ch, chin. Now looking at my power bar, tell me, is this a very common spelling if I want to spell the ch sound? Tell me, how common is this spelling if I want to spell the ch sound? It's pretty common, right? You can see here that my bar is fairly large, right? So it's pretty good size. So you would say that that's a fairly common spelling if I want to spell ch, 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 ch. C-H says ch. Next, we have, whoopsies, the sh sound, okay? S-H says sh. Say S-H says sh. S-H says sh. Your turn. S-H says sh. Awesome. Like sh in shop. Shh. Shop. Scholars, take a look at that power bar for me. Tell me, how common do you think the SH sound is? Take a look at our power bar over here. It's pretty big. That's a pretty good sized power bar. So normally, typically in our language, if you're going to see the sh sound, it's going to be spelled with an SH. Now I'm going to show you something cool. This is called a digraph. Say digraph. Say digraph. I'm going to put myself today because I want you to be able to see my image. There we go. All right, so take a look at this shape right here. What shape is this? Scholars, what shape is that? This shape right here is a triangle. What shape is this? A square. Awesome. Scholars, I have a question for you though. By itself, this is a triangle, and by itself, this is a square. But when I put it together, I have my square and my triangle, and when I put it together, now it's not just a square and a triangle, but what does it look like? Scholars, doesn't this look like a house? Do you see how by itself I have a shape and another shape and they don't make anything, but together they make something totally different, and my triangle and my square look like a house. It's really similar to when I have the letter K spelled C and the letter H spelled H, and I put it together to make the sound ch. What sound does it make? Ch. Yes. Scholars, look how cool it is. The K and the H sound put together make the ch sound. By itself, this says K and this says H. But together, it's so different. And the CH says ch. Your turn. CH says ch. Awesome. Let's take a look at one more. Take a look at this one. By itself, this is the letter S. S. S spelled S. And this over here is the letter H spelled H. Scholars, when I look at this, I can see that by itself, they make a different sound. But together, SH says shh. Your turn. SH says shh. Awesome. So see how when they're written together, they can make a completely different sound, like ch in chip or like sh in ship. Awesome work. So remember, if you see those sounds together like CH or SH, I have to blend them together into that digraph sound like ch or sh. Awesome work. All right, today we're going to talk some more about nouns, and we talked about this before. And scholars, we said that a noun can be a person, a place, or a thing. A noun is a person, place, a thing, or idea. Okay, say it with me. I said that way too fast because Miss Yoon got way too excited. Are you ready? A noun is a person, place, or thing, or idea. So those are what a noun can be: a person, a place, a thing, or it could be an idea that you have. We have talked about how a noun can be a person, like a teacher, or a kid, or a mom, or a dog. It can be a person. Oh, not a dog. That's not a person. Oh, Miss Unin. But it can be like your grandma or your auntie. Those are nouns. And today we're going to talk about another example of a noun. We just said that a noun can be a person, a place, or a thing. And today, scholars, get ready for this. We're going to talk about another type of noun that is a, drumroll, a thing. Scholars, listen to this phrase today. Blue house. Blue house. Think about that for me. In blue house, which word is the noun, or which noun, oh my goodness, which one is the thing? Blue house. Scholars, it is the house. Great work. All right, so next, the word house, you would say, is a thing. It names the noun or the house. Let's do another one. Get ready. Listen to the thing. We talked about a person, and today we're focusing on how a noun can be a thing. A noun can be a thing. A noun is a thing. It can be a person, place, or thing. And today, about a thing. Hand waves. Hand waves. The noun is the hand. That is the thing. Good job. Next one. Foot kicks. Foot kicks. What is the thing, or what is the noun? Foot kicks. It is the foot. Ooh, good work. Next one. Head nods. Head nods. Scholars, what is the noun, or what is the thing? Head nods. It is the head. Oh my gosh, you guys are rock stars. Next one. Red pencil. Red pencil. What is the noun, or what is the thing? Red pencil. Is red a thing? It has to be the pencil. Ooh, I love hearing your responses. Next one. Fast car. Fast car. Scholars, tell me, what is the noun in fast car? What is the thing? It is the car. Scholars, remember that we have said a noun can be at the beginning of the phrase or at the end of the phrase, right? And so listen to this next phrase for me. I want you to tell me, is the noun at the beginning or at the end of the phrase I tell you? Are you ready? Okay. Bird flies. Bird flies. Now first, you need to tell me what is the noun. Bird flies. The noun is bird. And is bird, scholars, at the beginning or the end of my phrase? It's at the beginning. Oh my goodness, you guys are so good. Next one, get ready. Don't get tricked, okay? Say with me. Fluffy cat. Fluffy cat. Which one is the noun or the thing? It is the cat. Oh my gosh, so good. So, fluffy cat. Was that at the beginning or the end? Fluffy cat. It was at the end. Oh, you guys are so good. So, scholars, we call the part of speech that names a thing, we call it a noun. Say, we call it a noun. A noun is a person, place, or thing, or an idea. Today, let's say a person, place, or thing. What is it? Good. A person, place, or thing. You are so good at this. All right, this next one is my favorite part. We are going to put together some of our sounds to make words. And we are going to chain and make some new sounds into words. Get ready. Tell me. Look at the sounds we have here. Say the ones with me. What are the sounds? Say the sounds. What is that? Put it together. Scholars, read that word for me. What word is that? The word is pen. Scholars, if this word is pen, then what is this? Pun. Scholars, tell me, did I change the beginning, the middle, or the ending sound when I went from pen to pun? Was it the beginning, the middle, or the end in pen to pun? The middle sound. Okay, get ready. If this is pun, then this is sun. Oh my gosh, you rock star scholars. This is sun. Now from pun to sun, did I change the beginning, the middle, or the ending sound? It was the pun, sun. It was the beginning sound. It went from a p to a s. Good. If this is sun, then scholars, what is this? Ooh, we just learned that tricky word. We just learned this new sound. If this is sun, then this is such. Good work, scholars. If this is such, then this is much. Awesome. Was this change from such to much? Did I change the beginning, the middle, or the end sound? The beginning. Good work. If this is much, then scholars, what is this? Mud. If this is mud, then this is mad. Good work. If this is mad, then this is, ooh, think about that tricky sound we just learned. Remember the s and the h put together make what sound? If this is mad, then this is mash. Ooh, you guys are so good. If this is mash, then this is, ooh, wait a second. We just add the letter. Ooh. This is mash. Then this is smash. Ooh. Right. Tricky words, get ready. Here is our tricky word. We are going to see some ones where we said that the tricky words, sometimes they look one way, but they sound so different. And so we need to tell our brains how to say the word correctly so that when we are reading as good readers, we are not getting tricked. All right, first one. How do I say this word? How would you say this word? Scholars, get ready. Today's tricky word is tricky word do. Say tricky word do. Tricky word do, and tricky word do is super tricky because here's why. See the D, it sounds like you would expect. When I look up here, the D in do, it makes the sound like you would expect. It makes the D sound, but get ready for this. The tricky part in do is actually the O sound doesn't make an ah, it makes an ooh. Say ooh. Yeah, in do it says ooh, and so it's like I can do it. But I need to remember as a good reader that the d makes a regular sound, but I underline that o because that o does not make an ah sound. It says ooh, and I need to remember that that word is super tricky. So when I'm writing it in my writing journal or when I'm reading it in a book and I see tricky word do, I need to remember that that o sound doesn't sound like an ah, it sounds like an ooh. Your turn, say do. I can do it. Give me another sentence with the word do. Go. Awesome work. All right, we have another tricky word today, and today's tricky word is, ooh, see with my little picture over here? Can you tell me what word that is? Scholars, this is tricky word two. Say tricky word two. Awesome. This is tricky word two, like the number two. Say number two. Awesome. This is tricky word two, and just like in tricky word do, there's a tricky part. Get ready for this. The t sound in T, that sounds like you would expect. It says t in two, and that part is normal. But get ready for this. The next part of the word that's tricky is the W-O. Scholars, if I look right here, this normally would say w, and this normally would say ah, but this word isn't doesn't make sense, right? And so this is what gets tricky. The W and the O actually say ooh. Say ooh. Yeah, so when I see the word to, I need to remember that it actually has an ooh sound instead of the W-O. So when I'm reading it, I'm going to see that word, I'm not getting tricked, and I'm going to know that the W-O says ooh. Say to. Your turn, to. Awesome. Give me a sentence or use a phrase that you would say to. Like for me, I would say, I have two boys. I have two boys. Give me your sentence with the word to. Great work. So you have an activity page 17.1, and it looks like this. You are practicing those two sounds that we learned, the ch and the sh, or sorry, the ch and the sh sound. And then you are going to read some words that have the ch and the sh sound and write them in the lines that match the picture below. Awesome work, scholars.